Hi, once again shafimon.com. I am Shafimon with you with a new lens unboxing video. Today I am going to show a new lens which is 1835 1.8 DC art lens. This one I took it from AAB World Kuwait. They are the authorized distributors in Kuwait. Let me open this. When we open, we have an international warranty card and the user manual of this lens. All the art series lenses has these documents, and don't lose it, keep it with you, and a beautiful padded pouch inside. Let me open this. Wow, a nice lens. This is the hood. The hood is plastic. All the art lens hood are plastic. It's a good build, which is the filter diameter is 72 mm. This is it. This is Sigma 1835 1.8 art lens, a well built strong solid lens. The filter diameter is 72 mm and it's good. Okay, this is the back side of this lens, you can see, and this is the front side. The speciality of this lens is which is very wide aperture in a crop sensor camera. I don't think there is any other lens with this in this category with this much aperture opening, which is 1.8, a huge wide open aperture for very good for night photography, landscape photography, night landscape, and low light, and also great portrait, because this lens we can use for indoor also because of 18 mm to 35 mm. It's very good for indoor portrait shoots. About this lens has a focus dial here and an art symbol, and it is marked by ink 1835 1:1.8 DC. DC means for crop sensor cameras, and the focus marks over here, and this is the lens code 013, and here it is printed made in Japan, like that. This is the zoom ring. Even if you zoom in and out, the front element will not move, so this is a solid construction. So good, very smooth. And this is the focus ring. The focus ring is around 1 inch in width, so it's very easy to grab and rotate. It's good for crop sensor filmmakers also, because they need bit wider focus ring, so they can just grab and rotate it. It's very good for them. Yeah, that's it. A well built great lens that has also AF and MF button, but this lens is full time manual override. Anytime you can grab and rotate the manual focus ring, so you will get a manual focus also. So that's it, all about this lens unboxing. It's a very nice looking, well built, and it's metal in construction, and it's of course it's an art lens, so the performance level will be premium, well built. So in my point of view, this lens is great. I had tested this lens earlier, so the result is awesome. You can visit my website shafimon.com to see the test result with this lens. I already uploaded the test result from this lens in my gallery travel, and also I will be writing a detailed review about this lens. The test is going on. So this is the first look of this lens. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like this video, you share with your friends, and I will be back with more videos soon in future with new lenses, new gears. So if you want to have a hands-on with this lens, you can visit the store AAB World Kuwait because if you are in Kuwait. If you are in GCC, you can visit their website iabworld.com. You can visit my website shafimon.com for reviews and test result, and you can follow me on Instagram shafimon_umar. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.